and stands out as a shining example. Ladies and gentlemen, through focus on our heritage, higher and tertiary education are producing new industries, companies that are promoting rural industrialization and creating jobs. With support from government, our teachers' colleges are starting consortium schools under the Second Republic's Graduate Employment Creation Initiative. Through this program, graduate teachers' colleges and colleges themselves are in a position to provide the nation with the best and reasonably priced educational institutions. We know that some of the colleges have now built schools which are nearing completion, Bukoba Teachers College being one of them. We would like to commend Marymount Teachers College for heeding governments of Zimbabwe's call to colleges and students to establish new schools and industries. With the establishment of the graduate-led consortium schools in Zimunya and in Chipinge, and I understand, and I saw this morning, the consortium of these graduates are here with us, and we want to say to the acting principal, well done, move forward, and let's make sure that this becomes a reality and that these students can start running this school. The Second Republic is working very hard to ensure that citizens are equipped with production skills so that they contribute towards the realization of Vision 2030. To achieve this, the Second Republic is implementing the Integrated Skills Expansion Outreach Program, ISOP, which is being carried out mainly through our polytechnics and also through our teacher training colleges to make sure that the nation has people with adequate skills, so that if you need a person with skills, no matter where you are in the country, you will find them. If you want to build a modern house in the rural areas, you should be able to find plumbers, electricians, tilers, and other people with other skills within the community where you want to build the school. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what heritage-based education is all about. And we are on a journey together, a journey that will see us achieve the vision that His Excellency has set for this country. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to now speak to the graduates, to say to you, our graduates, today is the beginning of the rest of your life. As you leave Marymount Teachers College, I urge you to be open-minded. If you don't get employed, your life is not doomed. Do something for yourself. Start a small business. Remember, the education industry is not just about teaching. You can do many other things that we have already talked about. You can write books, you can develop teaching materials, you can develop videos, you can develop many other products, and you can start your own school. You can even venture into something that is not related to your diploma. It is good and it is valuable. Remember the training you got
on industrializing and modernizing Zimbabwe through teacher education resonates well with the vision and aspirations we hold for our beloved country. As we gather here, we are reminded that education is not merely about imparting knowledge, but also about shaping the future of our nation. The role of educators is therefore redefined and pivotal in driving the transformation we seek in Zimbabwe. Guests of honor say, Your presence here underscores the significance of this theme and the crucial role that teacher education plays in our national agenda. We are honored to have you with us and look forward to your inspiring words. To the graduates,
the University of Zimbabwe Chairperson of Center for Teacher Education and Materials Development, represented here by Dr. M. Doja. Vice Chancellors of other universities, I think it's a typo. Tertiary Education Service Council, Vice Chairperson, Mr. J.T. Dewa. Tertiary Education Service Council, Acting Secretary, Mr. Indanga. Chief Mutasa Nabawosi, Chief Zimunya Nabawosi, the Program Coordinator, CTEMD, Professor G. Museka, all senior government officials here present, His Worship the Mayor of the City of Mutare, Councillor S. Shabuka, principals of sister colleges and all heads of schools, Marymount Teachers College staff and students, graduates, parents, spouses, relatives and friends, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to you all. Education programs since 2019, whose high quality has been acknowledged and confirmed by our quality assurers, the University of Zimbabwe, our user ministry, the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, and the schools where qualified teachers from Marymount are employed. Academic programs. The college offers the diploma in education, early childhood development, junior and secondary education are the three programs currently offered. We are proud that over the years we have achieved high pass rates in all these programs. The UNESCO report of the International Commission on Education in the 21st century, 1996, states that the rethinking of teacher education is necessary in order to develop future teachers with human and intellectual qualities that will facilitate new approach to teaching. Currently, like other colleges, Marymount is in the process of curriculum transformation, where a new curriculum is being crafted and implemented. The curriculum is based on the modular approaches, which are taught through 2 semesters per year in a 3-year program. Marymount is one of the first colleges to implement semesterization. I will now talk about research. Honorable guests of honor say, research is a priority area for the college since it is a key pillar of Education 5.0. It helps to promote creativity and innovation among staff and students. Members of staff, especially lecturers, are actively involved in various researches which are based on 11 college research priority areas. These are derived from the ministry, national, and global research priority areas. Lecturers and students at Marymount are producing textbooks for the primary and secondary school curriculum, which are already on the market for sale to schools and individual students, thus fulfilling the goal of being producers rather than consumers of products only. And with me here is one of the books written by Matthias Stolle, entitled The Complexity of the 252 Distance Education Teacher Training Model. Students, more in academic research for innovation and industrialization. We are happy to say that our preparations for the research conference that will be accompanied by exhibitions of our innovations in line with our ministry and national goals are at an advanced stage. Sports and recreation. Students and staff are also actively involved in various sporting and recreational activities. These include soccer, cricket, netball, basketball, volleyball, golf, athletics, dance, pool, debate, focus, education for sustainable development projects, peer education, among others. Entertainment activities include musical shows, modeling shows, and recreational games, to mention just but a few. Projects. Besides these activities, students are also engaged in many other projects aimed at developing creativity, innovation, and life skills. The college acquired 218 hectares of farmland, which is situated in Headlands area of Manicaland. Among the activities at the farm is crop production and piggery. The college has plans to rehabilitate and renovate the existing structures at the farm to start a practicing school. Also, plans are at an advanced stage to establish another practicing school at Foroma, Ward 8 in Chipinge district. Land has been acquired and the necessary paperwork is being done. At college, we have a vibrant agricultural section, and the college canteen relies on the college garden for vegetables. The college has recently resuscitated 2 boreholes, and they have been solarized, one at the college and the other one at the farm. The college also has a vibrant poultry project that supplies chicken to the canteen and to members of staff. The college is into bee farming, and the 2 MOUs were signed with Forestry Commission and McJohnson Apiaries. A demonstration apiary station was established at the college with the assistance of McJohnson Apiaries. Products such as honey wine, pure honey, honeymoon candles, and beeswax are produced. Forestry Commission provided 50 beehives, and the task of the college is to manage the beehives. This demonstrates how far we have gone in promoting external stakeholder participation in our projects. As part of our Education for Sustainable Development program, we have also engaged external stakeholders such as Netbank and Nature Horizon, who have sponsored the reforestation of the college grounds. The planting of both indigenous and exotic trees is an ongoing project done by each intake of students. Our ESD Change project, with the theme Integrating 21st Century Competencies and the Teacher Education Curriculum through Waste Management, has attracted international attention. It is through this project that we came up with an innovation of fireballs, which is an alternative source of energy, thus addressing climate change. We also run a garment manufacturing project. Various types of garments are produced at the college, including work suits, t-shirts, and tracksuits for students and staff. Apart from that, we also do short courses. We are making a significant contribution to the provision of vital community services through offering short courses to the community. These are offered at the college during school holidays. The courses include certificate in early childhood development, child care, safeguarding and protection, administration and management of ECD centers, computer fundamentals, beekeeping and management, detergents making, and basic sign language and counseling. I will now move on to our future plans. As a college, we look forward to growth in all areas. We will continue working towards the development of a competent, selfless, innovative, science and technology-driven teacher through a comprehensive and inclusive heritage-based curriculum, as our mission statement says. We look forward to the diversification of activities at the college farm in Headlands. It is our wish to scale up the bee farming project to establish a honey processing industry, since Manicaland is blessed with a lot of bees and forage. All resources needed are locally available except the machinery needed for processing. We are also striving to continue assisting students to establish private schools in line with government policy. To the graduates, what an incredible journey it has been, and my heartiest congratulations to you. Today we celebrate your academic achievements as you chart the new chapter in life. Remember that Marymount Teachers College community will always be there to support you. Go ye well.